Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Courtesy of Rpgshow, I'm going to be introducing their new lifestyle brand, and I also have a wig from their current line. Now this is the lifestyle brand unit that I'm going to be reviewing today, and I want you guys to take a look at the specs of this unit. Now this unit does come with 4.5 inches of parting space, and you're going to get the pre-plucked hairline, and it's going to come with the lace that we have known to grow and love from Rpgshow. So the Rpgshow lifestyle brand is more about the effortless and chic short haircuts for everyday wear, for people who want to just throw on their wig and go. And of course, one of the plus about this is that these units do cost less. So I'm going to show you how easy it was for me to style this particular unit. All I had to do was flatten the top of this unit using my hot comb. Okay dolls, so this is what the lifestyle unit looks like. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I am pleasantly surprised with this unit. When I first put it on, I was a little suspect, like, oh my gosh. I definitely didn't think I was gonna like it because it has like this bang, and it's kind of like, what is this? I don't know, like a shag cut. And I've never worn anything like this, so I can't say that this is the first. And surprisingly, I actually like it. I just knew I was going to turn this into a side part, but I don't feel like I need to. What do you guys think? I don't know. This is such a cute little hairstyle. And this unit is one of those throw on and goes because it has like, it's cut into the style. And it has these waves in it. So this is definitely like a throw on and go type situation. The only downside I will say is that, you know, it's cut into a style, so you're gonna like be stuck with this style. But if you're a person who don't really change up their styles too much, which honestly I'm not, I like have all these ideas in theory with my units, but I really just wear side parts every time. So if you're that type of person who don't really change up their units and they're, you know, just fine with wearing one particular style, or you want like this just to be your style, then I would say this one is a go. I really like it. Yeah, I really like it. It's perfect for every day, and I guess that's part of like what the lifestyle brand is about, is the short, easy throw on type of units. And you guys know I'm all here for that, because anything that makes my life easier is a win. So guys, real quick, let me turn around so you can see what the back of this unit looks like. As you can see, it has these pretty waves that I mentioned previously.